Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we are headed to the small, charming town of Garnett, Kansas. Established in 1857 and named after Dr. Garnett, a respected government official, this town holds a compelling history that intertwines with the fabric of America's pioneering era. Initially designated as the county seat of Anderson County, Garnett's strategic location along the historic Osage Indian Trail facilitated its prominence as a pivotal stop for pioneers and settlers venturing westward. The town eventually grew with the establishment of vital businesses, including mills, a growing agricultural industry, as well as its importance on a stop along the renowned Santa Fe Trail. Garnett's history is imbued with tales of the Civil War, as its proximity to the Missouri border witnessed skirmishes and served as a significant recruitment center for Union troops. The late 19th and early 20th centuries marked a period of sustained growth for Garnett. The advent of the railroad in the late 1870s served as a catalyst for economic prosperity, fostering robust trade networks and enhancing transportation avenues. Industries thrive, mostly around agricultural, livestock, and some manufacturing. All of these contributed to Garnett's vibrant tapestry. Today, Garnett remains a testament to its rich heritage, blending its historical essence with contemporary vitality. One of the most beautiful buildings you'll find in Garnett is the Anderson County Courthouse. This 2.5-story red brick Romanesque revival-style building was designed by architect George Washburn. Washburn was a major architect of public buildings in Kansas in the late 19th and early 20th century. On the grounds of the courthouse are several memorials, a Civil War fountain, and a World War I flagpole. The courthouse was built from 1901 to 1902 and cost about $75,000 to complete. It features a central bell tower and 4 corner towers with conical roofs. One of the more historic figures to come out of Garnett was Arthur Capper. Capper was a prominent figure in Kansas politics, and he left an indelible mark on the state's history. Born on July 14, 1865 in Garnett, he became a significant American politician closely associated with Kansas. He served as the 20th governor of Kansas from 1915 to 1919 and held the distinction of being the first governor born in the state. Following his gubernatorial tenure, Capper transitioned to a role in the federal government, becoming a United States Senator from 1919 to 1949. His political career was characterized by a commitment to various progressive causes and an advocacy for agricultural interest, particularly within Kansas. Apart from his political endeavors, Capper was a notable media owner and publisher. He owned the radio station WIBW in Topeka and wielded influencer as the publisher of the Topeka Daily Capital, a significant newspaper in Kansas during that era. The Mary Bridget McAuliffe Walker Art Collection housed within the new Walker Art Gallery is a testament to both artistic brilliance and remarkable generosity. Established in 1951 by Maynard Walker in honor of his mother, this collection was bestowed upon the city of Garnett, Kansas. The museum is mainly comprised of early 20th century American artworks, including paintings, sculptures, prints, and drawings. And it has been renowned and has widespread acclaim as one of the most extraordinary art assemblies in the Midwest. Paintings by John Stewart Curry, Boardman Robertson, Kenneth Callahan, and Theodore Stamus are all part of the museum. The origins of this collection trace back to a seemingly fortuitous exchange between Mr. Walker and Marguerite Jackman of Garnett, Kansas. A letter from Jackman sparked a correspondence wherein she sought verification of Walker's birthplace in Garnett for a local library file. Walker's response, initially a letter confirming his birthplace, evolved into an unexpected offer of paintings on loan to the library. Ultimately, Walker's generosity transcended merely loaned works as he later gifted the collection outright. His philanthropy inspired additional donations from various artists and collectors, and it further enriched the treasure trove of artistic expression that now graces Garnett's Walker Art Gallery. Ahead of us is the Thelma Moore Community Playhouse. This community playhouse and theater is housed in the old United Presbyterian Church building that was constructed in 1881. In February of 1991, a meeting was asked to held if there was any interest in the community theater and for the community to stage a production. As a result, 3 performances of a play called The Curious Savage were held in July of 1991. This event was made possible by the financial support of many individuals and local businesses. The Methodist Church of Garnett was the original location for the theater group. With the success of that play, the community then decided to produce Arsenic and Old Lace for 3 nights in August of 1992. It would take another 30 months and a Kansas Art Commission grant to produce the 3rd show, A Bad Year for Tomatoes, in 1995. During that time, the theater group, the community theater, held different plays at 7 different borrowed locations in all. But in 2003, with a $5,000 donation from Thelma Moore, a building fund began, and the old United Presbyterian Church was purchased and transformed into a theater. The theater was then named the Thelma Moore Community Playhouse in honor of her donation and work with the theater group. We're now walking past the historic Santa Fe Depot here in Garnett, Kansas. This 1931 depot has transformed from its railroad roots into a charming rest haven. It caters to both travelers and explorers that are journeying along the Prairie Spirit Trail, which is a historic and very cool rail trail where a lot of bikers go throughout the state of Kansas on this trail. It's a great place to stop for a leisurely picnic. There's restrooms inside, water facilities, and also a small railroad memorabilia on display. It's also an informational hub for Garnett and Anderson County and has a lot of information regarding what's around the area for those who are ready to explore this region. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder tour here in Garnett, Kansas. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder. Take care now. Bye-bye.